Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my project. It's a phone Instagram profile page that I created using HTML, and I will explain every part of my code and tell you why I used it. So let's start. Now I move to the body. Here I start creating my phone screen and I write or I create div with class phone. This is my main container. Everything inside looks like a phone. Then inside I have a div with class profile. This is the Instagram profile itself. And at the top I add div with class topper and write Agnieszka. That's my nickname, like on Instagram. Then I create the profile info part. Here I have my photo and my stats, posts, followers, and following. Next, I write my name and bio uh, with div. I create div with class username and I write div with class bio. And I write my bio and I use BR for link line breaks and an A tag for the link. After that, I make two buttons. Um, so I write div with class buttons. And we have two buttons, follow button and message button. They look like the real Instagram buttons. Then I create my stories section with small circles. Uh, I read or I create I create a div with class stories and some div with classes story. Each story has a round image like in Instagram. Then I make a gallery. So I write div with class gallery. This is where my posts are shown in three columns. At the bottom, I add the navigation bar. The navigation bar. So I write div with class button menu. It has the icons, home, search, add, reels, and profile. So that's everything for HTML. It builds the structure of my phone profile page. So second part is a style part. Now I'm explaining my style part. This is where I make everything look beautiful. First, I style the body. I style the body. I make the background black and use flexbox to center the font in the middle. Then I style my font container. Uh, this gives me a white rounded shape, looks like a real phone screen. And now I style the top part. It centers my nickname and makes it bold. Then the profile top part, sorry. I use Flexbox so the photo and states are on one line. The avatar I write width, height, border radius, object width. It makes my image round and neat. So for the stats, I use display, justify content, flex, and margin left. It space out my posts, followers, and following evenly. Then I style my username and bio. For username, I use margin top and font weight. Then for bio, I use margin top, font size, and line height. And for BOA, I use color and text decoration. the link becomes blue, just like Instagram. For the buttons, I use display flex, gap, and margin top. And the first button is blue, the second one is gray, looks like realistic. Then I style my stories, and for stories I use display flex, gap, margin top. They are small circles in a row. So now the gallery. For the gallery, I use display grid and grid template columns and gap. All images are in a three column grids like Instagram posts. So, and finally, the bottom menu, I use display flex, justify content, padding, and border top. It looks like the navigation bar from the app. So, yeah, my HTML makes the structure and style makes it look real and aesthetic. That's how I created my phone profile project.